The Watchdives WD007 Automatic Watch is more than just a timekeeping instrument. It's a testament to precision engineering, durability, and style. With its grade-to-titanium construction, advanced features such as the domed sapphire crystal and Swiss C3 super luminous technology, and versatile design options, the WD007 is the ultimate companion for those who demand excellence in every aspect of their timepiece. Elevate your wristwear game with the WD007 and embark on your next adventure with confidence and style. Designed to accompany you on your most daring expeditions, the WD007 is equipped with a 120-click unidirectional rotational aluminum bezel, allowing for precise timing of dives and other activities. The domed sapphire crystal with clear air coating ensures unparalleled scratch resistance, while maintaining crystal clear visibility in any environment. Equipped with Swiss C3 super luminous technology, the WD007 features a vibrant green night light that ensures readability even in the darkest conditions. Whether you're exploring underwater caves or navigating nighttime adventures, the luminous display ensures that time is always on your side. The WD007 is thoughtfully designed with practicality in mind. The screw-down crown, coupled with a genuine helium escape valve crown, ensures optimal water resistance and pressure regulation during deep-sea dives. Meanwhile, the screwback case provides easy access to the internal components, making servicing and maintenance a breeze. The WD007 boasts a case constructed from grade-to-titanium, a material renowned for its strength, durability, and lightweight properties. Enhanced with an anti-fingerprint coating and hardened coating, the case not only exudes sophistication, but also withstands the rigors of everyday wear and tear. Choose between a nylon band or a stainless steel mesh bracelet to suit your personal style and preference. Whether you're dressed for a formal occasion or gearing up for an outdoor adventure, the WD007 adapts seamlessly to any environment.